Celia.
What you doing?
I was thinking of our next myth.
So, what's our next myth?
Well, the fans have been writing in and they want us to test whether the toilet seat is the dirtiest place in the house or not.
So basically we're testing whether or not the toilet seat gets the most bacteria out of all the places we test. So, I think that the toilet seat won't get the most bacteria. I think that the kitchen counter will.
Yeah, you're right, because people bring things into the house and put them on the kitchen counter, and also you cook on the kitchen counter, so it probably has a lot of bacteria.
So I think that we should first make the bacteria food, which is called agar.
Yeah, and then we'll put it in a pot and boil it.
And then we'll quickly pour it into the different petri dishes.
And then we'll close the lid, and while we're waiting for it to harden, we'll go around the house and take swabs of different places that we can wipe across the agar once it hardens.
I don't think that would be the best idea. I think it would be better to bring the agar where we're taking the swabs.
Yeah, that's a good idea, because that way we won't get bacteria just from random places.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
Let's go. I have 1/2 cup of water and I have 1 teaspoon of agar. I'm going to pour this agar into this 1/2 cup of water. Now I'm going to pour it in this pot and bring it to a boil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of the agar mixture in each petri dish.
Okay, so we're in the bathroom, and this is the toilet. I have a pack of sterile cotton swabs, and I'm going to take one out, and I'm going to swipe it on the toilet for 5 seconds, and then I'm going to go over to my petri dishes labeled toilet seat, and I'm going to wipe it across it, and then close it, and tape it shut. Here goes the first one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to open this and go. And close it. We took tape and this Sharpie, and we marked where on the kitchen counter we're going to swab so that we go on the same spot each time. Here are my sterile Q-tips again. And I'm going to go around the box for 5 seconds, just like I did with the toilet seat. So, there's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to wipe it across here. And close it.
So I have sterile Q-tips that I'm going to open up and choose 3 Q-tips that I have not, and the side I haven't touched, and facing upward. Okay, so I'm going to keep them there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do the first one. I'm going to put it, rub it. Here's some pictures of our data: the kitchen counter, the toilet seat, and air, which is our control. I think our myth is plausible because we counted the bacteria in 2 different ways and we got 2 different results.
Yeah. Also, when we counted the total bacteria count, the toilet seat had 180 and the kitchen counter only had 49.
Yeah, and for the large colony count, the toilet seat had 14 and the kitchen counter had 15.
So that's why our myth is plausible.
Bacteria.
Bacteria.
Look, there's bacteria. Bacteria.
Bacteria.
You might not see them, but they're there. Bacteria.
Bacteria.
Everything you touch. Bacteria.
Bacteria.